Today we're going to be unpacking the Moroccan Couscous. This is what we will provide you. As you can see, it's a box with a lot of goodies, vegetables and everything. We're going to open this up just so you can have a look. Beautiful package. Slide it off. And just on top of it, it says the recipe, how you should cook it, which is going to be very helpful. As you can see, some vegetables. We have a bell pepper. Looks amazing. This is so good. Then we have onion. So it's a bell pepper and onion within this box. Have a lot of good stuff. As you can see, there's more ingredients as well, which I'm gonna unbox right now and then show you everything we have. So we have the bell pepper here. We have solid, beautiful whole onion. We have, I believe this is an eggplant. Pretty small eggplant, but beautiful, sexy eggplant. We have, this is what they call zucchini. If I'm not mistaken, it says here what the ingredients are. This is courgette, I believe. Courgette. And this is courgette. Nice package of couscous. 200 grams of couscous right here. Beautiful. And here we have raisins. I don't know if you guys are a fan of raisins. Beautiful, delicious raisins. Beautiful. We have a few spices right here. A few spices. Garlic cloves for if you guys like that. And then this is the very special sauce we're gonna cook today. And yeah, so this box provides you everything you need all in one place. The wrap, we can just throw it away. And yeah, so this is what it will look like. This is the vegetable, how to cook it. And then this is the recipe of what you should do to cook this properly. Okay, here are the ingredients. If you guys are interested, this seems to be pretty healthy. So yeah, as you guys can see, we have all these vegetables right here, which came into the box. And this is the box. Comes with this, and this. And then at the end, this is what it will be. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try this. Awesome. So just order online. Like, we have everything. Just comes with vegetables and an easy to cook meal. Just add your steak or whatever if you're interested, and that's it. Thank you.